Okay, so the problem that we're facing right now is that we just did a little screen recording. You can see this here, .mov, screen recorded. This is what it looks like. Regular screen recording of my 3D tour that I've done here. And I'm trying to import this to Premiere Pro after it finishes saving. Great timing. When I import it, it says that it's unavailable, and it says it's missing a frame. So I'm going to show you the trick to how to quickly avoid this annoying thing that happens sometimes when you do a screen recording with QuickTime. If you don't know how to do a screen recording, you can just hit the little magnifying glass up here, look up QuickTime Player, open that app, and then here it'll show you it has QuickTime, and then you can do QuickTime, or you can do File, New Screen Recording. And then this will tell you if you want to record or whatever, and we don't want to do double screen recording. So that's how you do it, and then it saves to your desktop. So it saves as this, and if you try to import this to Premiere, it won't work. You try to import it to your library, it won't work either. It tells you that it's missing a frame or something like that. So what we're going to do here is we're just going to double click on this here, change .mov to .mp4, and then this will change the formatting. You want to use this? Yes, use MP4. So that changes the formatting, and then when you drag it now to your timeline, you can see it automatically recognizes it all the way better already. So now it's in there, and then you can drag that to your library or drag it to your timeline, either or. But that's how you can avoid the annoying thing of sometimes Premiere Pro doesn't recognize your video. I don't know what happens if it's screen recording or it's Premiere Pro, but that's the easiest way I've found to fix it is just by changing the format from .mov to .mp4. But yeah, thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Hope this helped.